A man named Chris Miller from Florida, United States posted this video. The man says that his wife received a notification and asked him to check the footage. Chris was surprised to see a strange flying object that he cannot explain. It even made a weird sound similar to that of a jet engine, which caused further confusion. If you have any idea as to what this could be, let us know. In this next video, a Reddit user was looking for answers as to what his Ring doorbell captured in the middle of the night. A series of unexplainable dots appear to move in a deliberate and uniform fashion. Some of those who commented said that it could be fairies. Due to the unordinary behavior of these dots, it is unlikely to be any kind of bug. Either way, this was definitely a unique piece of captured footage. In this video, a man seems to vanish in thin air while walking his dog. Commenters in the Reddit post argue that this can be easily explained due to a glitch in the camera. Even though this is most likely the case, it's still weird that the man seems to simply disappear. So was it a ghost, a camera malfunction, or a parallel universe leaking into our own? Let us know what you think in the comments below. On to the final clip. A Reddit user says his Ring doorbell captured this eerie footage at 2:30 in the morning. Critics of the footage are quick to say that it is probably a piece of dust or a bug walking across the camera lens. Others say it could be the spirit of a dog or some other kind of animal. In either case, this is definitely not the kind of footage you want to find on your notifications in the morning. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Hit the bell icon to get updated anytime we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.